Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, what I want to show you is kind of couple of new things. I want to show you how, for example, and I'm just going to look here. It might see there it says the product type. What I want to do here is just basically look at, for example, how you can use a drop down to just, highlight specific rows. In this case, I'm actually going to choose, let's say, product category. But I also want to show you how you can use a function called unique so that, even if your product category updates, that your drop down is always up to date in the beginning. So I just go begin here. I'm going to go to lists. Okay. And I'm just going to type equals unique. And what unique will do is that it will extract a unique list of values from my data set. Go back to transactions. I want to do product category. Click here, Control Shift arrow down right to the bottom. And then I just close my brackets up here. And see there, it gives me a list. Now I want to set this up so that it's always sorted alphabetically, no matter when I add to it. And if you notice up here, unique is what they call a dynamic array. So if you look up here, you can see the unique is kind of dim. So it's only really activated when you click on the very first cell. So I just click between the equals and the U, and I type in sort, open bracket, go to the end, comma. And I don't want to sort index because I don't want to sort it by a particular column. So I put in another comma, and then it says sort order, and I'm going to choose ascending. And then I just close my brackets and I press enter. All right, so see that list is now sorted alphabetically. Now I want to use this as the basis of my list. So I highlight this here, and then I come up here to this space, and I give it a range name. So I'm going to call it product, and press enter. Now, and then I can come back down here to my transactions list. And then I scroll up to the top, and I'm going to click here in cell this one here. And I'm just going to make this, I'm going to color code this because sometimes with drop downs, you can't always see where they are. You can do it with, I could do an F5 and let's say go to special. See there's special. And I could go then to, let's say to, there's an option here that says, where is it at all now? Oh dear, data validation, but that's not always kind of handy to remember. So a little trick is just to use this one, and that's okay, that's fine. So I click this one, I come over here to data, and then I just go to data validation, and then I just choose data validation again. And then from the drop down here, I choose list. And then I come down here and I just press F3 on my keyboard. And see there, I can call up list of product and then click OK. Now when I come up here now, see there, I've got my whole list of goods. Now what I want to do now is I basically want to set this up so that the rows is highlighted. And this came from a question in class. So what you need to do for this one is you need to click over here. If you want the entire row to be highlighted, it's important that you don't click on the headings, just go across here. And then I just press Control Shift arrow down to select the lot. And just back up again. I then come over here to Home. Oops. Come here to Home, Conditional Formatting. And you need to go down into New Rules. And then I come down to this one here which says use a formula. Now I come down here to my little box down here. And I just go equals. And then I just click on the first entry up here, the product category. And where you choose this is actually quite important. And then I keep pressing F4 until it reads $I2. Okay, because I want to make sure that it's not just fixed to that cell, it's fixed to the column. And then I go equals, and I click on this cell up here. And then I choose my format. I'm going to choose a nice bright green. Click OK, and then click OK. Right. Now nothing's going to happen because I don't have anything selected. So click up here, and now if I choose coffee, see there, it selected all my coffee here. And if I choose another one, let's say I might just choose drinking chocolate, say it chooses drinking chocolate, and then I can choose another one up here, for example, let's say maybe loose tea. Oh, I'm sure loose tea is there somewhere. Okay, probably just not on that list, and I might just choose tea again. I'll choose tea so you can see it. Okay. Now the beauty of this is that if, for example, I come along here and let's say I just change one of these, let's say to chai tea, okay? Because I just want to show you what happens to my list when I just change. All I need to do is change it here. So I type chai tea, press enter. Now when I come over here to my drop down, see there's chai tea in the correct alphabetical order because I use the sort by and unique. Okay, so I hope you find this useful, and mind yourself and take care. Bye.